Easy Chill English. Sit back, listen, and let English come to you. Welcome to Easy Chill English. I'm Lara.
And I'm Leo. Lara, something happened yesterday.
Good something or bad something?
Mostly bad.
Tell me everything.
At the gym, locker room, Monday morning, a man was standing next to me. Friendly face. He looked at me and smiled. Just a small smile.
A small smile. That is a door opening.
Yes. I thought, this is my moment. Say hello. So I said hello. He said, hey. And then something went wrong in my brain.
What did you do?
I introduced myself very completely.
How completely?
My name is Leo. I am from Poland. I am a graphic designer. I have been coming to this gym for 7 months. I come on Mondays and Thursdays, sometimes Saturdays if I have time.
You told him your gym schedule.
My full gym schedule, Lara.
And what did he say?
Oh, cool, man. And then, headphones in. Gone forever.
The headphones.
Immediately. I gave him my name, my country, my job, my full fitness calendar. In 30 seconds. Like, here is a form. Please fill it in.
Yes, that is exactly what happened. A form, not a conversation.
What is the difference?
When you give someone facts, they can only say, oh, nice, cool, and then silence. Nothing to say next. But a question, even one small question, gives them something to answer. And when they answer, you are both talking.
I did not ask one question.
Not one. And Leo, this is very normal. When we feel nervous, we talk about ourselves. We say everything we know. Name, job, where we're from. It feels safer than asking, but it closes the conversation before it starts.
I wanted to connect with him, but I just talked at him.
Yes, but the fix is very simple. One question. That is all.
What question?
At the gym, you could have said, have you been coming here long?
Have you been coming here long? That is very easy.
Very easy. And he answers. Maybe he says, about a year. And you say, same. I started 7 months ago. And now you are talking, together, about something real.
From 5 words.
From 5 words. Or, do you always come in the morning?
Do you always come in the morning? He says yes or no, both are fine. Both keep the door open.
Exactly. Yes opens one door, no opens another. A question always opens something. A statement, like, my name is Leo, closes something.
A statement closes, a question opens. I had only statements. So many statements.
A very complete set of statements.
Very complete. Very lonely.
Next time, one question first. Everything else later.
One question first. Okay, but Lara, I need to see this working, not just in theory, in real life. Did it ever work for you?
Yes. Last month, I have a story.
Tell me.
An art supply shop. I was looking at brushes. I had 3 in my hand. I could not choose. A woman was next to me. Same shelf, same problem. So I said, do you paint often?
Just those words.
Just those words. She turned to me and said, yes, every weekend. It is the only time I feel calm.
That is a nice answer.
And then she said, what about you? She asked me back right away.
Because you gave her something to answer.
Yes, when someone feels heard, they want to hear you too. We talked for 20 minutes. I left with a new brush, and she told me about a small gallery nearby. I went there the next weekend.
All of that from 3 words.
3 words and a question mark. And Leo, here's something important. When she answered me, her answer had more questions inside it.
What do you mean inside it?
She said, every weekend, it is the only time I feel calm. So I thought, why only weekends? What is her week like? How long has she been painting? Her answer gave me more things to ask. I just chose one.
Her answer gave me the next question. I just had to listen.
Yes, listening is the other half. Not waiting for your turn, really hearing what they say. Because what they say always gives you something.
Listen, and the next question comes by itself.
Yes. And this works everywhere, not just art shops. Think about a coffee shop. Long queue, person next to you. You can say, "This queue is always long on Mondays."
This queue is always long on Mondays. They will laugh or agree, and we are already talking.
Already, from one sentence. Or, have you tried their new drink?
Have you tried their new drink? They say yes or no. Either way, the conversation starts.
Yes. Or in an elevator, your neighbor. You have 30 seconds. You say, "Busy morning?"
Busy morning? 2 words. Is that really enough?
2 words. They say, "Yes, terrible." Or, "Actually, not bad." You say, "Same." Elevator arrives. You both smile. Next time you see them in the hallway, you're not strangers anymore.
2 words, and you're not strangers anymore.
Because you said, "I see you. I notice you." That is what a small question does. It says, "You matter to me."
A question is a small gift. Nervous Leo gives facts about himself. Curious Leo asks about others.
Nervous Leo and curious Leo. I like this.
Nervous talks about itself. Curious asks about others.
That is very good, Leo. Remember that. When you're genuinely curious, people feel it. They open up, they talk, they ask back. And genuine, Genuine, means real, from the heart, not practiced, not performed.
Genuine, not performed. I'm writing this on my gym locker.
Right next to your schedule.
Right next to my very detailed schedule.
So, you have the idea. Questions open doors, statements close them. Now, let us give you the actual words, the phrases you can use tomorrow in any real moment.
Ready. No more schedules.
No more schedules. First phrase, after hello, you say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
And they say, "Nice to meet you too." Very simple, but it does something. It says, "This moment matters. Meeting you is not nothing to me."
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Even from a stranger, that feels good.
It feels good because it is real. Second phrase, instead of talking about yourself, you ask, "What do you do?"
What do you do?
They can say anything. Teacher, doctor, student. I work in an office. I am between jobs right now. Any answer, and every answer gives you something to say next.
What do you do? I am a teacher. Oh, really? What do you teach?
Yes, exactly like that. And that, "Oh, really?" That is our third phrase. "Oh, really? Tell me more."
The emergency sentence. It's everywhere.
It is everywhere because it works everywhere. At the gym, in a queue, in an elevator, anywhere. "Oh, really? Tell me more." 4 words, and the other person thinks, they're listening. They want to hear me. Keep going.
Oh, really? Tell me more. Simple, warm, real.
Yes. 4th phrase, when you find something you share, you say, "Me too."
Me too. Very short.
Very short, very powerful. So they say, "I hate long queues." You say, "Me too." They say, "I always come here in the morning." You say, "Me too." Me too says, we're the same, we share something. And that feeling, that is where a conversation becomes a connection.
Me too. 2 words, and suddenly we're not strangers.
Yes. 5th phrase, what a coincidence. Coincidence, Coincidence, means 2 things happen at the same time, without planning, without trying.
Like, we both take the same bus every morning, and we never knew.
Exactly. What a coincidence. It makes the other person feel special. This moment was not planned. So, if the gym man had also said 7 months, you could have said, "What a coincidence. Me too."
The headphones might have stayed out the whole time.
The headphones might have stayed out the whole time.
That's my dream now. Headphones out, full conversation.
Beautiful dream. And sixth phrase, when it's time to go, coffee's ready, bus comes, elevator arrives, you say, "It was really nice talking to you."
It was really nice talking to you. That's warm. That's real.
It leaves a good feeling. The other person walks away smiling, and so do you. Even from 2 minutes, even from a small moment. And awkward, AWKWARD, means uncomfortable, when nobody knows what to say, that heavy silence like a locker room after headphones go in.
I know this feeling very personally.
Very personally. But one real question, one small genuine question, and awkward disappears. Both people have something to say, the silence fills by itself.
One question and awkward disappears. Okay, can I say them all? All 6 together?
Please.
Nice to meet you. What do you do? Oh, really? Tell me more. Me too. What a coincidence. It was really nice talking to you.
6 phrases, 6 small tools, 1 big change.
6 phrases. Today, I had 0. I had only Leo facts.
Today you have 6 phrases and 0 Leo facts.
0 Leo facts. Only questions. Only curiosity.
That's everything.
Okay, I want to try. Right now. New gym moment. You are the man. You smile at me.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Have you been coming here long?
About a year. You?
7 months. Do you always come in the morning?
Yeah, mornings are quieter. Afternoons here are crazy.
Right? The afternoons are a lot.
Exactly. What do you train mostly?
Weights, still figuring it out, honestly.
Leo!
What?
2 questions. 1 shared laugh about the afternoons, and he asked you something back.
He asked me back because I gave him something and he wanted to give something back.
Yes, that is a real conversation. How did it feel?
Different. Very different. Monday, I was performing. I was saying things at him. Just now, I was talking with him about real things together.
Performing to connecting. And confident, CONFIDENT, I think many people think confident means perfect English, no mistakes, always the right word.
What does it really mean?
Confident means you are comfortable enough to be curious. Not comfortable because your English is perfect, comfortable because you are interested in the person in front of you. And that interest, real interest, it carries you through silence, through mistakes, through any word you forget.
Comfortable enough to be curious. Not perfect, just genuinely interested.
Yes, and I want everyone listening to hear this. People do not remember your grammar. They do not count your mistakes. They remember how you made them feel. Did you look at them? Did you listen? Did they feel seen?
Seen. A question sees the other person.
Yes. One question says, "You are interesting to me." That is a gift in any language with any accent, with any level of English.
Next time I see that man at the gym, one question. Do you always come in the morning? And then I listen and I find the next question inside his answer.
There is a whole conversation waiting for you at that gym.
From one question.
From one question. And everyone listening, tomorrow, one moment. A queue, an elevator, a waiting room, someone you see every day but never spoke to. One question. It does not need to be clever. It does not need to be long. Just real. Just genuine.
Have you been waiting long? Do you come here often? Busy morning. Cold today. Is this your usual stop? Anyone, any single one opens a door.
And you never know what is behind that door. A new friend, a gallery you never knew existed, a dog named Biscuit.
Or a man who gives you his complete gym schedule.
Or that. But even that moment, even the awkward one, that's you trying. And trying is always how you grow. Our question for you today, think of one person you see regularly but never really spoke to. What is one question you could ask them? Write it below. That question is your first step.
And if you already met someone new in English, tell us that story. The good version, the awkward version, any version. We want to hear it.
Because every conversation you start That's you growing, one question at a time.
One question at a time.
If this episode helped you, subscribe to Easy Chill English so you never miss one.
And share this with one friend who finds it hard to meet new people in English. This one is for them.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. And remember,
Small sentences every day.
your brain is listening,
Your brain is learning.
even right now.